Let's make a Japanese breakfast. Yeah, leftover kabocha. Got this natto from Lee. Hot mustard and the soy sauce. It's like seasoned. Ooh, the red one. Mm. Itadakimasu. I love ham. Mm. Mm.